Hello there, and welcome to Factorio, episode 16. So, in the previous episode, we built this entire section here. We're making plastic there, we're making sulfur there from our petroleum, and we're making sulfuric acid here. The sulfuric acid is quite happily making that tank fill up. So that's going to continue pretty much continuously until that is done. Maybe we could up that speed a bit though. Well, there's no real reason to updating that speed. Okay, we can up both those speeds. Let's up those speeds first of all. So we need some more metal. Also, this sulfuric acid is going to be used to make batteries, and to make batteries we need copper plates and iron plates. So while we're up there, let's bring copper plates and iron plates down. But I'm going to get some copper plates anyway, so I'm going to need some copper plates, and I'm going to bring them down with us. Don't really need the copper. I need the iron. There we are. There's the iron. Grab a load of iron. Load of iron. Load of iron. Okay, there's the iron. Thinking about that, actually, if I bring the iron from here, I can merge it with the copper from here. That won't be too bad. Okay, how are we going to do that? Let's get rid of you. And can I make a underground transport belt? I can. I'm also going to need one of these splitters. Do I have any of them? I do already have one in stock. Good. Get rid of that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and that one, that one. There we go. Right, so I've got rid of those for a really good reason. So I want to bring that down 2 notches. Yeah, we'll go 3. And you, I want to go underground. Where's my underground thing? Underground thingy. There to there. Then 1 more. Excellent. Oh, got 10 of these guys. So I was hoping I didn't have to make one as well. Put you there, and you. Well, there actually would be perfect. Going out the side there, going that way. Perfect. Put you that way. I said put you that way. There we go. We can bring these down, you see. That's my plan. And then here, we'll put you that way. Boom. Excellent. Okay, you need a power cable for you guys, so let's just put that right there, right on the end, because there's no reason to expand that. Excellent. You can transport wire, and you can transport steel plates. Iron plates, sorry. There we go. That will do perfectly fine. Great. Now, you guys, I need you guys to actually deliver me some of these plates. I will put another one of these splitters in. I'm going to go on here, just sort of making sure they use both sides. Oh, you've actually stopped functioning, haven't you? Okay. Let's put you down here. We need to invest into our new technologies very, very soon as well. Because we're running very short on... I need some power cable. We're running very short on important stuff. Ooh, I need to be closer. There we go. Put it there so it doesn't block up that... just in case we get to that. Yeah, we're running very short on ores. Our iron ore is doing really well, but it won't last too long. This copper ore is not going to last very long at all. Not going to be able to expand it in very shortly as well. We do have a massive map will be easy. We have a massive section here of copper compared to what we're using now. That's going to last us a long, long while. Not impossible to drain that, but this will drain. Now, what I've been looking at the map is I want to come up here and grab these two. To do that, I'm going to have to destroy that base and possibly even that base. I want that one there as well. That's not undoable. I can do that. I mean, that one maybe as well. So we're going to destroy some bases. But before we do that, we can come over here. We've got a nice sizable section here. It also has coal, which will be useful for coal when we run out of coal over here. So which is also a doable thing. So we're going to make sure we don't run out of coal. So we'll hit that area first. We'll drain the resource from that, and we'll keep the infrastructure in place for digging out the coal when we need it. So that's probably going to be our first target when we start moving. But we're not going to move until we have the laser turrets. Now, laser turrets is what we're building with this. So I'm thinking we move that out to about there. Put that back in. It's appropriate place. Boom, and then boom, and then dig out there. Well, that should be really good. Yes. Give me another one of those. Put that there. Perfect. Now that can come across there. Oh, no, actually, I want to come down, down, across, and then we put down, down, down there, and then they'll sit to their own size. Oh, I need to put that one in, and I've got one left. Hey! And then dun 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 dun. Perfect. So that's going to both sides as it needs to. This is coming down here as it needs to, and we're now getting twice as much copper. Perfect. And also those guys are running at maximum, so I don't have to worry about them. How's our power situation? We're borderline on power, so we may need to do something with the power. But I also going to need a lot more conveyor belts. To save myself time, any of you guys making conveyor belts? I asked that question knowing the answer. Conveyor belts, conveyor belts, conveyor belts. I'm going to actually need a lot of these guys, so I'm going to knock them off from the end. Actually, I need some of you. No, I don't. I got 39 of them already. Just give me the conveyor belts, people. Conveyor belts, conveyor belts. There we go. Okay, I now have a few conveyor belts. I may need to make more. If that is true, I'm just going to run across here really quickly and grab some metal. Boom, thank you. 100 sheets should be more than enough. There we go. Okay, dun 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 dun. Let's get this lined up properly. I don't want to come down there and find it in the worst possible place. So, if we start doing our manufacturing here, I want to be near enough to that so I can use it. If I were to build a pipe, give me one of them. Yeah, just one for now. We'll see how far we can go with that pipe. Come on, pipe, thank you. Put that there to... Ooh, look at that, it just gets to the far side as well, nice. Okay, so if we put our manufacturing plant here, we can use this conveyor belt, you see. That's going to be good for us. Right, so, based on that information, we are going to build our manufacturing plant off of here. We're going to use that material, so I want to be on both sides of it, ideally. Now, I'm going to need probably a chemical plant. Or is it a chemical plant or is it an assembler making batteries? We're using metal parts, it's going to be an assembler, but it's going to be a 3-part assembler, so it'll be the blue ones. Okay, give me both of those that you can make, because we have 2 of those running, because that'll be more than we need, initially anyway, and I can place them, but I need to get the piping, so I need to know where the piping's got to go to get these guys. I want the conveyor belt to come down, but I don't want to get in the way of the pipe, which is potentially problematic. Now, if the pipe can go up and around, then I can bring the conveyor belts in appropriately, but I need to know where to bring the conveyor belt to begin with. So you guys, there we go. Right, so you guys, let's put you there 1 second, and build me another pipe. Pipe, please. Just the one will do for this test. The pipe does appear to only go in the top. You can see the little circle there. So I put that pipe there. Give me another pipe. And I put it there. Boom. It does not go in. See, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for where it connects. Looks like there's a pipe there, though, doesn't it? So if I said to you, make me batteries, like that. Oh, I can't do it. You actually can't make batteries. Oh, made in. Sorry, yeah, you actually made in the chemical plant. Oh, I completely messed up. I've actually built 2 of those things and I really don't need them. I'm sure we'll use them later. But I'm going to need a chemical plant, which now I need to go and find some more metal plates. Urgh, metal plates. Dun, 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 dun. Where will I never find metal plates? 20 of them approximately would be nice. Oh, look, a chemical plant. Can I have 2 of those, please? I probably don't need 2. No, I'm happy with the 2, actually. Okay, so now I've got a chemical plant. Now we've got a chemical plant being built. I noticed I have an extra one there already built. Damn it. Chemical plant can go anywhere based on this, as long as it's an input feed, which should be good. So I can put that basically there, have it feed from that one, and then put the one on this side and feed from that one. And then the conveyor belts have to come down and split. Ugh. Okay. That might be a problem. I'd have the conveyor belt come down one side. So if I put that there, right, then we can bring the conveyor belts down that side and we can offload and unload at the same time. That's a possibility. Oh, research is complete. Good. Anything else that just uses blues? Green. So we don't have the blues yet. This is what we're making towards. Making towards the blues. You have made rocket damage. Laser turret damage needs the blue. You have... I don't really use shotgun shells, but I am going to use my guns a lot, so increase my gun damage. There we go. Right. So, if I put you there, then I can offload you that side. If I put you this side, however, that way around, then I will be able, then the conveyor belt has to be over here. It gets in the way of everything else. I'm going to put you over this side. I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put the other one right on top of it. Then I can scale if needed. That means I need to put pipes. Just give me a straight 5 pipes should be enough. Oh, that's way too many. I hit the wrong button. Boom. There we go. I've got 5 pipes now. Pipes? Are you there? Ah. So, these are 5 pipes. I'm going to put one there. I don't think you can get away with that, because there's input, so I'll just do that. There we go. That's the sulfuric acid in. You guys are going to be making that. I now tell you to do sulfuric acid, and you to do batteries. Both do batteries. Sorry, my mistake. They're both doing batteries. Okay. Now that's done. I need to get metal plates and copper down here. That we can do with conveyor belts. So I can put the conveyor belt sort of here. Boom, 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 boom. Like that. Maybe not quite that far down, because you just need to be there, don't you? Boom, boom. There we go. And then I can put the other one there for the offloading, for when it comes to the end goods. I can put that side, couldn't I? That would be better, actually. If I can put them on that side, you would need to go away. Thank you. If I put on this side, 2 space, I can use the red grabber. Do I have any red grabbers? I don't have any reds, so give me 1 red just to play with. Thank you. If I put a red there, it'll be able to load that guy up. happily, and I need to put the conveyor belt there. Now, will that hit anything? Ooh, I got so close to that tank. Okay, well, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to move that across one notch when we got past here. Expansion would be a problem, though, wouldn't it? Not really. We can put more over here. We can always redirect this side later if we need to. I like that kind of flexibility, but I'm going to actually move this over. Boom, 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 boom. Does it boom? There we go. Right, I want to be at least there so I can put a pipe in that if I need to. Okay, so if I say we're going to actually move to here instead, right? We can put the chemical plant there, there, boom, and boom. We can then put the pipes like that, and we just do one more pipe, thank you, to put there, and we have that piping going in now, happily. You can also do batteries now, and you can do batteries now, if we undo the battery stuff. Put the red loader there. Yes, need one more red loader for that side. I won't need any reds for the other side because I'll be using normals. Perfect. Rotate there. Now, I'll actually bring you up because I want you to be close to each other as I can get you so you can share power potentially. Right. So, you guys are going to come all the way up here with me because then I've got one continuous line. One continuous line all the way. Out the way. All the way up here with no interruptions at all because, you know, that would be a bad thing. Go! I was thinking about actually turning that off for a second and saying, no, it's not going to, but I think that I'm happy with that. It's a long line of copper coming down, which is actually good for us because it means we make sure we have copper spare. This will be like a line just for us to have spare copper, basically. And then steel plates. It's probably going to stress out our research, our production for a short while, but I think we can deal with that. Okay, so that gets you to you two. Then on this side, I'm just need normal extractors should be perfectly fine there and there, because you shouldn't need any more than that. Conveyor belts can come down here. Now here's my question: this conveyor belt here, where do you offload your stuff, top or bottom? So I'm temporarily just going to say greater than top. Okay, now I know where that's going to go. I can swing you guys around to the other side. I need one of those stacky ones. I need 17 metal plates. Luckily, I just brought a load of metal plates down here for me. Oh, get rid of that one as well. There we go. Can I have one of them, please? Thank you. Right, so that one is now done to there. And then we'll put conveyor belts. You go on the top there, don't you? I kind of want to bring it up here and just join it there, but to the bottom, but then that becomes an issue. Actually, what I can do then is here, right at the very beginning point, do it here. Go up, up, and then that away, and then that away, and then you go that way, and you go down. That make sure you stay on the top at all times now, which means I can actually there we go, get rid of that, and then swing you guys to the top. There you go. That will actually do what I want it to do without any of the hassle. So can I have one of these bigger ones? So hopefully this will be able to cover all of it. Oh, it would as well if it wasn't for the fact that they're together. If I put a gap in there, I can get away with just having one of these guys. Yeah, I'm happy to put one of them in there for the sake of messing up entirely. Rotate. I know I didn't need to remove you, did I? I just press R to rotate you. You get removed, and put you in the back in your appropriate places. There and there. One conveyor belt for you. Boom. Good. You're all in range now. I just need one more pipe so you can be wired in. Well, plumbed in technically. Plumbed in. There we go. Okay, now I just need to get power to you, which I will do through the aid of another one of these guys. Because these guys are pretty good. There we go. Look at that. I can get close to the bottom as I can. There. That means if we need anything on the pipe, we can do. Okay. Boom. Go. Apart from you. Rotate. Why are you not... Oh, I didn't tell you to do anything. Batteries. Make batteries. There you go. Right. So, you guys are now doing that. I might stop you doing that, actually, and replace here with a smart inserter, which I just told to make for no reason because I carry like 8 of them. Smart inserter. Right. So, smart inserter's there. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the red wire from before. 1, 2, please. I'm going to run a red wire from that. Looks like I'm out of range. From that to that. And from that to that. Oh, just in range. Okay. Now, done that. I need one more red wire to go to that inserter. I'm going to give the same order that I gave the other inserter. I want you to produce me, to only transfer Where are you? Batteries mean that one there. Batteries. When that is less than, let's go 50. I'm thinking because I need them for manufacturing purposes as well. Okay, there they go. So they're on the bottom side. They're going to go around up here and then way all the way up. And then what happens at the end of this row, there's a chest. And that's the name Smart Chest. And it's got a fast inserter grabbing them. And it's going to have batteries inside it. And it's going to be all amazing. And I did say when you've got 50 in there, didn't I? So it's quite a lot of an ask for these guys. You are making quite slowly, but I'm happy with your speeds. What are you actually... does it actually get slowed down by anything? No, you don't. Okay, you're not being slowed down by anything at all, which is excellent. I do need to make sure that when did I say 50 on that? 50, yes. Let's drop that down to 20 for the initial set. There we go. Dun 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 dun. How many's in there now? 26. Okay. 27, 28, 29, 29. Okay, I need to up that then because 26 is not high enough. 20 is nice. So let's go 30. No. Okay, let's go. Oops. 40. I said purple. There we go. 40. Alright, so you are now unloading. That is fine. So you lot are going to be my last chance pieces. So let's just see if you get in there. I don't want to trust myself with this circuit thing. Why you actually stopped? 40. Did the 40 get in there? There might have been some on the way up I didn't know about. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. 42. Excellent. Okay, that is working perfectly fine. I'm happy with that counter. So we're now making batteries. And we're making batteries. We're making plastics. And we're doing it on a controlled system as well, which is perfect. Okay. Now, importantly, now we're making batteries. We can start producing the extra stuff. The things we couldn't do before. So, remember these guys? Well, these guys can come into their own right now. I'll just put you there 1 second. If I said to you, make me blue, you need me to provide you with green inserters, steel, red, and batteries. Okay, so there's my steel. There's my plastics. I don't need plastics. Red and steel there. Green inserters there. Batteries can come up next, which is actually perfect. So if I bring the batteries up here, get rid of that and that, because I can't put anything else on there. The red inserters are already on there. If I put a conveyor belt here, boom, 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 and run it that way, then I could use long arm inserters and short arm inserters, and that would be perfect. Yeah, that actually would be perfect. Yeah. It's a bit of a waste of a conveyor belt, but I can't do much about that. Right now, I need a smart inserter here, and you're just going to be told to grab batteries only. Boom, batteries. There they go. Okay, so we now have everything we need there to make the manufacturing process. Get rid of that 1 second. There we go. I just got rid of that 1 second because I want to potentially change something here. Let me just see what I want to do. Let me just grab these batteries and put them back in the chest, just in case I don't have them here. Batteries. Thank you. Boom. There you go. 41. Right. So batteries will go this way, and we have these guys up here. If we have blue inserters coming on, then we can definitely do that there. But we won't have expansion capability because these guys won't be feeding circuits to the bottom one as fast. They need to go the other way. So if we were to rotate that around, ooh, that would do it. There we go. Right, if we were to sort of flip this around, come down the other side, or maybe even down the same side, you'll be able to grab your stuff from there. So, let's just look at the actual escape point. I want you guys there, boom, 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 boom. At the very least, I want you here, going up. This is where we're offloading to, okay? So if we're offloading to there, then I need to be able to grab materials and put it onto there. So let me just put these guys in, roughly where they're going to be. So I'll put one there and there. That's where they're going to be roughly. So that, based on that information, if we could rotate you to there, then you could deliver the green inserters, right? And you could deliver the red inserters, yeah, red circuits and stuff, to there. That would work for what we're doing. Like that. Yes, that's perfect. Now, the problem is getting these batteries up here. Now, batteries are actually relatively easy to get there. We can bring them up underground, drop them there. That would actually work on the same conveyor belt. It's a bit messy, but I'm happy with it. It's basically what I had before anyway. So, oh, I'm out of grabbers. Hello. I don't want inserters. I just need conveyor belts. Conveyor belts. Conveyor belts. Grab me all the conveyor belts. All right. So I'm just stocking up on conveyor belts. I don't need to stock up this many, but you never have too many conveyor belts in your stash, can you? Right. So if I were bringing these guys up, I also need to make an underground one. So 1 second. Let's grab some steel plates from over here. Oh, it's going for me now, can't I? Oh, thank you. Give me one of those underground beams. There we go. Right, if I set batteries up here, like this, all the way up, it's a bit of a waste, but there we go. And then here, if we put in a underground one, boom to boom, it would put batteries on that conveyor belt there. And that would do a good job. That would actually be perfect for us. Yes, okay, so give me I need two long arms and 2 short arms. Long arms will grab from the fire panel, and short and long, there we go, and the one can be there. And then the normal inserters can grab from here and here, and that'd be perfect for them. Yes, okay, you are going to make me blueies. Blue. And you are going to make me blueies. There we go. And on this side, you're going to output those blues, so one there and one there. The reason for that little gap is for a power cable. Boom. And we can then progress down if we need to expand. We have expansion. Okay, now that means I'm going to have to get these batteries running. Boom. There we go. Batteries are en route. Batteries are fine there. They will get where they need to be. It will draw a lot of our resources initially, but we need to get some in this. I'm actually going to possibly change that out so it's not quite a highest number, because that number is quite high, isn't it? So let's change that number, because obviously with that long trail as well, let's make that just 12. How much do I need for a laser? Because if I'm making lasers by hand, lasers 12. We'll keep enough in that box to make a laser. We'll just grab the others from the conveyor belt if we want them. Ah! Okay, now we're making blues, potentially. Let's start doing some research that requires blue. Laser turret damage upgrade, probably not best. Let's go with something... Let's go with lab efficiency. It's 250 units, but it'll make our lab more efficient now we're actually using blues as well. You should actually be producing blues. There they are. Blues are en route. Just realised the blues never get grabbed because there's no arms on the opposite sides. Okay, can I have some inserters here, please? Thank you. And I'm going to need to make some red ones. But how many do I need? Ah, took about 3. So I need 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I need 10. Can I make 10? I can make 5. Right, I need more of these guys then. I need more of these guys. Ah, thank you. Right. So I can make 10 of those guys. I can't make any more because I'm out of steel plates. Steel plates are a friend of mine since I've made a nice batch of them over here. Thank you. I can make... Yes, okay. I think it's right-click. Yes, right-click for 5. There we go. Right. So the reason why I need them... This is my last thing I'll be building today as well, which is interesting. I need these guys on this side to grab from there. And then I need... There. It's having trouble sort of placing them, making sure they don't go in the wrong places. Damn you, power cable. There. Okay. That side's done. And then the other side just needs there... there, making sure they actually go into the appropriate one because some of these are going to be a little bit high. There they go. So they're all operational now. Here comes the blues, and blue, and then and grab from both sides. Yes, okay, they are working fine. I can also upgrade this to have more of these. I just need more metal plates because I think 2 of those isn't going to be enough. So, just sit here and grab some of these. Actually, I'm going to come up here 1 second and grab this lot because this is the best way to grab them, I think, personally. Right, I have metal plates. I'm going to make 1 more of you, and I need more metal plates. Oh, hello! Thank you for your metal plates. It was very nice of you. And another one of them. While they're doing that, I'm going to dump some of this wire that I'm carrying. Where is it? I'm sure I grabbed it with a lot of wire. No? Oh, I must have been making power cables from it then. But I thought I had loads of wire on me. Okay. So we have 2 more of these guys being built. 1 can go there, 1 can go there. I need reds to pick up from that conveyor belt, which will go there and there. I need normals, which can go this side to offload, which can go there and there. Straight opposite, just for convenience more than anything else. Give me a power cable. I kind of like making the bigger ones, so there we go. Power cable can go... I can put it there and have a gap in them. Ooh. Oh no, that side's already powered. We're good. We're good. Put it there, and it'll power all of that side, and it's good. We can then put conveyor belt alterations. There we go. Conveyor belt is altered. Boom, 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 boom. Turn that away. And then up to there. There we go. And I need to drop the blue that I picked up. And apparently some greens I picked up at some point. When did I pick up greens? I need to drop the greens up here. I don't want to drop in the wrong place and end up with them stuck in the conveyor belt. We've had that before. We have had that before. Okay. You guys are good. I need to put the other one down just there. Say to you, make me blues. You make me blues. And then expand the 2 conveyor belts down to there and down to there. Yeah, you don't need to go as far because I'm going to be putting the short one there. So I'll put that there and there. There you go. You guys are now fully functional blue makers. Excellent. Apparently we're not making these guys, so why? Ah, we are using a lot of the green circuits now, aren't we? For making red circuits. We may need to up our circuit production then. Wow, I really wasn't expecting to need to up our circuit production at all. But yeah, we could definitely look at maybe upgrading our circuit production. Yeah. Okay, so looks like we're going to need to massively upgrade our circuit production at this point. Because we're not making these. So that is a downside. We're going to stop making blues. But look at that. Circuit production. Wow, was not expecting that to be an issue. Okay. Best way to deal with that then? Well, we could modify this chain and make these more circuit producers. But that'd be kind of awkward. I don't know. Right, for a second, I don't know, but we'll figure that out in the next episode. Any ideas what we can do? Maybe we just extend this. This has been designed to be extendable. I mean, we've got all this to extend into. That might just be what we have to do. Which I'm perfectly happy with, actually. So, next episode, probably extending our circuit production. Saying that, copper is also in dire need right now. Although saying that, copper shouldn't be a problem there, because it's full up all the way down here. So, we should be pretty good there. You're not making any more of these because you're full. You're not full. Why are you not making any more? Oh, you're short on acid. Oh. We have to use up all of the sulfuric acid. And you're short on metal plates. Because I was giving you plates. Oh, yes. Boom. There's some plates. You can start with that. Right? No? Plates. Yeah, I got to get metal plates over to you. They're there. Right, next episode. Metal plates to the sulfuric acid machine. Which we can do because they're there now. Look, we can grab them off there with a smart inserter. And figure out a way to expand these circuit producers. We need a lot more circuits to be produced to run those machines. So, anyway, guys, that's an interesting little development we weren't expecting. Yeah. Okay, until next time. Comments in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.